Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at a personal cooler that promises to keep your drinks cold without colonizing your entire backseat. The RTIC 8Q Road Trip Cooler sounds small on paper, much like your patience in rush hour traffic, but this brand is famous for rugged efficiency. I wanted to see if this little box could actually pull its weight, or if it is just a fancy way to carry lukewarm soda. The design is compact and sturdy, featuring a handle that feels like it actually wants to stay attached. With an 8-quart capacity, you can fit about a dozen cans or a few bottles and snacks, which is perfect for solo trips or for anyone who is tired of people stealing their supplies. The exterior has that signature RTIC tough plastic build, so you do not have to baby it like a fragile ego. It slides into tight spots like the floorboard or passenger seat without hogging all the legroom. The handle locks upright for a balanced carry, making it one-hand friendly for when you are juggling bags or your sense of direction. It is light even when loaded, making it ideal for kids' sports, office lunches, or a quick hike after a long drive. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the smooth interior, which wipes down fast before it starts smelling like last month's bad decisions. Now, this obviously won't replace a giant chest for a week-long camping expedition, but that is not the goal. This is for the day trippers and road warriors who want a cold sandwich without dragging a bulky plastic coffin around. Users love how it tucks behind a car seat and keeps ice frozen longer than most people keep their New Year's resolutions. If you spend long hours driving and need a reliable spot for snacks, this rugged little pick is an excellent choice. For solo travelers and commuters, it might just be the perfect size cooler you did not realize you were missing.